that strange grinding noise from your washer normal or a sign of disaster? Your appliances are always talking, but do you know their language? Ignoring the wrong sounds can turn a simple fix into a $3,000 replacement. Universal danger signals like grinding, screeching, or buzzing mean it is time to pay attention. Did you know dryers cause over 16,000 house fires each year, often warned by a strange noise first? Don't guess when it comes to your home's safety. Learn what every sound means by reading our full appliance noise decoder blog post, linked in the description. And if you are in Burnaby and hear a sound that worries you, call Top Appliance Repair Burnaby today for expert help.